Hello, everybody, and thank you for joining us back here at FSD Pharma's channel. We're, of course, sitting here with Anthony. On the last video, we gave you guys good background information about him, and we dove into the company a little bit. Today, we have a really exciting update for you. But first off, Anthony, how are you doing?
Good, Michael. How are you?
I'm doing pretty well. And I think just to reiterate one more time, what is it that FSD Pharma does? Let people know.
FSD is a biotechnology company that has specialized in the endocannabinoid system of the human body, which is the same system that cannabis molecules enter through CB receptors. Although our FSD-201 molecule actually is not derived from cannabis, it just enters the body the same way. So to us, it had the potential of having these anti-inflammatory properties and these pain relief properties in a way that is not addictive like opioids are. And that was the focus of the company until the acquisition that we just announced.
Yeah, let's dive into that acquisition. But first off, anybody wants to know more about the company, please, by all means, visit the website, watch that first video. But yeah, shifting back to the news release, you guys announced a definitive agreement to acquire Lucid Psychoceuticals. Now, psychoceuticals is not a word I've heard before. So can you walk us through what this news release really means?
Sure. Psychoceuticals is a new word, and it I think reflects the part of the paradigm shift that we're making within the company in terms of expanding our biotechnology pipeline. This is the new frontier of medicine to me. So we have a novel, unique family of molecules to target the protection and repair of neurodegenerative disease challenges today that are still unmet. So that means, I guess, in simpler terms, certain types of diseases like progressive multiple sclerosis or Alzheimer's or Parkinson's, which are derived from the brain and the central nervous system. Mm-hmm. And so the molecule or the family molecules itself, Lucid has the worldwide exclusive license from the University Health Network, which is North America's largest health research organization today. And it consists of some of the most amazing, brightest minds in brain science and technology. And this is the culmination of over 40 years of research and development. And so we're very, very excited to utilize our very strong cash balance to put this and start this to go through the phased trial process.
Yeah, this seems like a real boon for you guys. The amount of information, like you said, all those years of research and everything in it. So tell us what you guys do with it from here. What's the next step?
And not only research, but just the incredible, excellent, capabilities that come with the team behind it. So
True.
for us, that's really, really important, is having the right team. And, we have a series of now doctors and scientists joining the company, which will complement our own existing teams. And hopefully now we're going to be able to find, the right way to move FSD-201 endocannabinoid molecule forward in conjunction with this new neurodegenerative portfolio.
Interesting. So again, going back to it then, so what should be the definitive next steps people should be expecting to see from FSD from here now that you guys have signed this definitive agreement?
Sure. So the agreement is still subject to some standard closing. We intend to get this complete here by the end of September, beginning of October is that timeline to have it definitively closed and complete. And then from there, we will intend on immediately beginning taking steps at taking the technology to the phase trial steps.
Wonderful. All right. Well, Anthony, do you have any closing words, anything you want to add to people before we leave today?
Please stay tuned. This is the beginning of a new paradigm shift and a very, very exciting time for the company and hopefully our shareholders.
Awesome. Very well said. Yes, everybody, please stay tuned. If you have any questions, go ahead and send them over to us. We'll happily dive into them. But for now, Anthony, thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you, Michael.